Cemtrex is a holding company in the advanced security technology space, and under their umbrella is another company called Vicon. So we're going to talk about both of those today. And with me is the CEO and Chairman Sagar Govil to talk about this. And let's start with Cemtrex, the holding company. Tell me about that company and tell me a little bit about yourself and how you came to be CEO of this company.
Sure. So Cemtrex is a holding company. It's evolved over the years. We started it back in 2004, and it's grown through a number of acquisitions. So the strategy has always been to find unique opportunities to acquire or invest in businesses and grow from there. And so over the last 20 years or so, we've been involved with a number of different areas, from manufacturing, technology, and now we have two portfolio companies, one of them being Vicon Securities.
Okay, so let's talk about Vicon a little bit. What kind of business is that, and why did you acquire it?
Sure. So Vicon is a physical security company. We sell video cameras, the storage hardware, and really most importantly, the software that security guards and other security personnel are looking at day in and day out to manage the security operations of the facility.
Yeah.
And so we saw an opportunity here to really impact the security industry. As you know, it's a dangerous world out there. We wanted to really find a way to help protect families, our kids, through providing better security in universities, education, government facilities, manufacturing facilities, and really help drive the industry forward.
And you've had the business for a few years, and you're starting to use artificial intelligence, right? So how is that playing into the company?
Yes, absolutely. So really what's interesting about right now is that over the next couple of years, we're going to start to see AI really change the way the industry has operated over the next couple of, in a number of different ways. And that's really driven by new ways of managing your security operations and better enhancements in terms of how cameras can see the world and see the things that they're looking at and provide better intelligence to the security operators, as well as making faster decisions in real time, as well as helping preventing threats or security issues from happening in an organization.
So what are some of the security needs that you see specifically right now?
So I think really a lot of organizations that really weren't as concerned about security have to think about security more than ever, right? So it's really important to know who's coming into your facility and who's not, and being able to deter intruders from coming in, whether you're a government facility, a courthouse, hospital, a school. So it's really critical to have real-time situational awareness to make sure that you can stop threats before they happen and detect threats in real time, really. And that's really critical. And AI also, when you have an event that takes place, being able to really get that data accurately, quickly, and provide it to the relevant authorities so that you can take actionable steps, all of that is really critical for any security installation. And more facilities now than ever have to take their security more seriously.
Yeah, and we talked a lot about security, but just in general, infrastructure, digital infrastructure. We've seen, airlines have problems, the FAA has had problems. I mean, do you also address that? And what do you think the current status is of our digital infrastructure?
So I think you're absolutely right that organizations, whether you're the FAA or any other organization, they have to really start to think about their security vulnerabilities and take them more seriously, figure out how they can provide more real-time information to their operators so that they can prevent things from happening and derailing entire systems or critical infrastructure, like airports going down or airlines having to bring down flights. So it's really just a reminder that you have to constantly reassess your vulnerabilities and your infrastructure and how your security is deployed and what are the steps to resolve threats quickly and appropriately.
Now, what kind of solutions does Vicon offer then in that area? So
one of the things that, one of the great things about our platform, Valeris, which is a security software platform, is that we provide real-time monitoring for a lot of your threats. It helps you detect when security cameras go down in real time. It helps, we have a whole health dashboard, and that allows you in real time to have a better sense of what's going on, where are my vulnerabilities, and get in front of a problem before it happens and risk, jeopardizing your critical infrastructure.
I see. So it sounds like the real-time data collection is the key.
Absolutely,
here
absolutely.
to doing this. Okay, so how can people learn more about Vicon, some other the businesses that you're involved in as well?
Sure. So the information, you can go to our website. That's vicon-security.com to learn more about Vicon. And the parent company, the holding company, is Cemtrex, Cemtrex.com. And Cemtrex is publicly listed on NASDAQ, and the symbol is CETX.
Okay, awesome. Thank you so much, Sagar, for coming in.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Yeah.